my name is Ree Dolnick. I'm the founder and CEO of JECA Energy Bars, and we're located here in Buffalo, New York. One of the first decisions that a company needs to make is this something that's going to be more of a lifestyle business, or is this something I'm going to scale statewide, locally, nationally, globally? For us, we always wanted to go nationally, so we knew that continuing to make a bar in an artisanal, small batch way without help of some sort of innovation that's going to allow us to keep this home quality artisanal and still be able to scale meant that we need to go get help to produce equipment that's going to allow us to have that capacity to produce more bars than we can by strictly making by hand. And that's why for us, we had to turn to organizations such as COE in order to help us design something so that we can scale. Initially, when we had a conversation, I really wanted them to make me a food press. And the more we worked on it, it became very obvious very early on that was not the model that was going to be able to work. And from then on, it was a matter of conversing back and forth about what potential system would look like and what a cost-effective system would look like. So we had to really, based on that, really work backwards in terms of we know what the final quality of the product needs to be and what steps do we need to take in order to get there. And so by creating alternate designs and pointing out the negatives and positives of going in that direction was the role of the engineers, and ultimately following that up with experiments to show me that this is actually the process that was going to work. It's almost like the melding of the minds of people that have scientific background and them really guiding me into their world to understand how they think and how they actually lay everything out. Communicating with the COE team was such a pleasure. They were really easy to work with. Everyone there was just amazing, really helpful, very professional, very knowledgeable.